So in JD Omni you can also edit the products in bulk. To do that, first from your products module, click on the view product section. Now these are the products that are present in my system. To edit these in bulk, first click on this icon. From here, click on bulk update products. Now from here, download the export product list sheet. Now this file contains the list of products existing in your system currently. Make changes in this file for required products and upload the file back into the system. So let's export it. Next, let's download the exported file. Now here is the information about the products that are present in my system. Now here you will see for product Amul cheese, the main category is displayed as others. I'll change it over here. I'll make it dairy products, and the category level 1 I'll enter cheese. I can also enter the text name and text rate for within Maharashtra. Once done, let's save this sheet and let's upload the sheet which we just edited. Select the file and click on open. Now click on upload file. So you see upload successful. Now let's see on your online store whether the changes made are reflected. Now if you remember, I had changed the main category and subcategory level 1 of the Amul cheese. So let's see whether it's reflected. So earlier it was others, now it has changed to first the main category, that is dairy products, then the subcategory level 1 cheese, and the product name. So this is how you edit the products in bulk. Stay tuned for the next video.
We hope that this video was helpful to you. If you still have any questions, comment below or contact our support team directly. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update.